What's going on, fellas? I just wanted to share a quick little trick that I've just learned. Having trouble tapping this big 3/8 pipe here. So I shaved a square edge on both sides of this tap, and I'm using kind of like an impact technique to progress. Rather than just try and push it through and twist, I'm ramming into the face and then backing out of it. And sure enough, slowly but surely, it will progress. And it's a lot easier on me than what I was doing, I can tell you that. Like I'm tearing up everything. Get yours now on Amazon. Was I asking too much? I'm gonna have to say no. Taiwan. Backing out of it seems to help it out. Better be careful here. Camera's in the way. I actually need to be standing right here, right where my camera's at. But you get the point. You see how that swung around nicely versus if I just try to go through it. It's a lot harder. The wrench wants to come off and everything. I basically can barely do it at all. But let's see if I can crack it loose here. Went too far. Okay. Yeah, I gotta move the camera. Let me try that. Being a dumbass. Even a pipe wrench wants to just fly off of that, but doing the impact action definitely seems to help. I can't do that with the pipe wrench, but you get the idea. I should probably be using some large vice grips or the tool that's meant for this process. However, I am neither. It is going this way. It's not pretty, but as you can see, that progression, it's the only way I can get it to go, is just back out and smack into it. Definitely give that a try when you find yourself in a bind. If this was stainless steel, I'd be screwed. I see. It's got to be pretty bad when you're outsourcing to Taiwan. That's where China has all their cheapos made. So I take that back. There's nothing easy about this. There is no tip. You're doomed, and I would imagine even if you have the tool. Oh! Now it's stuck. Come on, baby. Pulse action. Yes! Just want to get this ship off the ground, man. I have a feeling I'm not quite there yet. She'll leak. I gotta go all the way from Chinson. So I'm gonna be here a while. You guys have a nice day.